Welcome to the fashion party. In today's video, we're looking at Zendaya's top 20 best red carpet looks.
Here with my style muse, my one and only fashion icon of them all, Law Roach.
I have to give a shout out to Zendaya's stylist, Law Roach. He has worked with her for many years. I love the creativity of their looks and how they are not afraid to make bold fashion risks. Cause who you know that can wear a robot suit on the red carpet and kill it? Exactly. So let's jump into this first look. This first look is from 2017 when Zendaya attended the Hollywood premiere of Spider-Man Homecoming and was looking pretty in pink in this Ralph and Russo gown. In this next look, Zendaya transformed into a human butterfly wearing a winged butterfly gown by Moschino. This look could have easily came across as a costume, but she pulled this look off effortlessly. In 2018, Zendaya stepped foot into the Met Gala red carpet in a silvered armored dress by Versace. The theme was heavenly bodies, fashion in the Catholic imagination, and Zendaya's outfit was inspired by Saint Joan of Arc. In this Vogue interview, Zendaya explains why she couldn't wait to get off the red carpet.
It was so heavy because of the beading, but it was so beautifully constructed, and it's Versace. And typically, like, I can handle a night out, with my heels and everything. I've been wearing heels for a long time, but I don't know, it was something about a mixture of like wearing these platforms and like the heaviness of my dress. I was struggling. I was like, I need to sit down, but it was all worth it. The hair also just completed the character.
Zendaya attended the Emmy Awards and wore a Poison Ivy inspired ensemble. The emerald green gown was designed by Vera Wang and showcased a thigh-high split. Zendaya topped off this look by rocking auburn hair. Zendaya didn't win an Emmy that night, but she certainly won Best Dress, and fans on social media couldn't agree more. One fan even stated,
"Remake Batman and Robin solely to cast Zendaya as Poison Ivy, you cowards!"
At the 2020 Critics' Choice Awards, Zendaya wore a pink custom-made Tom Ford breastplate. She paired the garment with a long skirt and topped the look off with box braids. At the 2021 Oscars, Zendaya paid homage to Cher, wearing a similar cutout yellow dress by Valentino. Zendaya amped up this look by wearing over 183 carats of yellow diamond jewels from Bulgari. The jaw-dropping jewels ringing at over $6 million. Zendaya looked breathtaking at the Venice Film Festival in a custom leather Balmain gown. The sleeveless gown matched her skin tone perfectly and featured a round neckline, waist ruching for a wet look effect, and a high split. Also in 2021, Zendaya wore a golden spine dress by the late great Roberto Cavalli. From the front, Zendaya's gown looked like a simple black dress, but the back was a different story. The dress was held together by an elaborate metal cage that looked like a spine with ribs fanning out to the sides. The spine transformed into two snake heads with glittering eyes that rested on her shoulder blades. Some fans wondered if her dress was made to resemble the Spider-Man villain Dr. Otto, who has four metallic tentacles extending from his back. In 2022, Zendaya wore a sleek suit with a leather tie to the Oscars after party. The suit was designed by Sports Max and was tailored to perfection. She wore her hair in a sleek ponytail with a smoky eye look that made this androgynous look come all together. At the 2023 SAG Awards, Zendaya wore a custom-made Valentino gown. It took a whole team to create this masterpiece of a dress, which included 42 people. The dress was adorned with 190 roses. It took 1,230 hours to complete this dress. One rose took 5 hours to complete, but I would say it was well worth the effort. In 2023, Zendaya made a head-turning entrance at Louis Vuitton's runway show during Paris Fashion Week. The gown featured a form-fitting silhouette that flared out into a train, but the most interesting part of the dress was the large two-way zipper that was strategically positioned to reveal a plunging neckline and a high leg slit. outfit. For the Dune 2 premiere, Zendaya wore a custom two-piece set by Bottega Veneta. This outfit was everything. The top portion of the look was a slightly oversized, long-sleeved, cropped turtleneck, and the skirt was floor-length and included a thick leather portion at the waist and matching brown pumps. When I first seen this next look, I was in awe. Zendaya looked amazing. This look was giving it to the girls. This custom two-piece set is by Louis Vuitton. It features a sleeveless crop top with a hood attached to a chunky neckline. The skirt hung low on her hips and the waist dropped into a ball gown silhouette. This look right here was so iconic. Zendaya wore this robot suit from the 1995 Mugler fashion show. This look became so viral that it generated $13.3 million in media exposure for the brand. The robot suit featured plexiglass cutouts and a chrome frame. The jumpsuit was inspired by the sci-fi film Metropolis and took 6 months to construct. This outfit made perfect sense for the Dune 2 premiere, and this look will forever be cemented in fashion history. Zendaya slayed on the red carpet in this daring white cutout dress by Stefan Rowland. The hem of her dress featured beautiful gold embellishments. I love this look. It was given ethereal, futuristic, and elegant. At the 2024 Oscars, Zendaya wore a pink and silver Armani Privé gown. I love this half corset structure, and the color looked great on her skin. This look was given old Hollywood glamour. At the Challenges movie premiere, Zendaya shut down the red carpet in a green sequin dress by Loewe, but the most notable feature of this dress was the design on the front. The design featured a silhouette of a person holding a tennis racket. Zendaya is the queen of method dressing. Continuing on with the Challenges press tour, Zendaya wore a custom Loewe pleated dress, but the main event was the shoes. The shoes were custom made by Loewe and had tennis balls on the heels. This sporty chic look was everything. This next look was pure genius. Zendaya and Law took method dressing to a whole new level. I always say details are what make an outfit come all together, and they left no stone unturned with this one. The white maxi gown was custom made by Tom Brown. The backless dress featured a collared neckline that was buttoned to the top. The bottom of the dress was pleated and had net detailing and a zipper. The dress was decorated all over with small tennis rackets. Zendaya wore her hair in a slick braided ponytail with a big white bow, and the red lipstick complemented the red and blue design on the hem of her dress. This outfit was 10s across the board. In this next look, Zendaya was given 60s fashion, but make it sexy, in this custom cutout dress by Jacquemus. I love the voluminous hair with the cute pink ribbon and the cute matching shoes. This is a great retro look with a modern day twist. For the 2024 Met Gala, Zendaya wore 3 different looks. She wore 2 looks on the red carpet and another look inside. All of these looks ate, but my fave was the second look. Zendaya surprised fans when she reappeared at the bottom of the stairs wearing a vintage black gown from John Galliano's Givenchy era. Zendaya topped off this look with an Alexander McQueen bouquet hat wrapped up in black tulle. Zendaya looked stunning, and this look matched the Garden of Time theme perfectly. Zendaya is the ultimate fashion icon, and in 2021, she became the youngest person to receive the CFDA award presented by the legendary Iman.
Zendaya is one of the youngest icons to inspire and excite the world with her great sense of style. And she's certainly one of the most fearless. Her instincts and confidence on the red carpet have redefined glamour for an entire new generation of fashion lovers. It's my pleasure to present Zendaya with the 2021 CFDA Fashion Icon Award.
Zendaya and Law Roach are a dynamic duo, and I am so excited to see the creativity in their upcoming looks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then check out my other fashion videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.